All right, so here's my trade recap for today. I took a break-even trade, and then I also did take a loss today. I know I didn't post it on social media, but a lot of traders also took this 9 a.m. reversal loss. I'll go over it. Definitely avoidable loss, and my new rule is one trade a day keeps the drawdown away, and I promise you I will be sticking to that. But anyway, this first trade, my overall bias was bullish. I mean, if we go to this 15-minute candle right here. We open up this 15-minute condition. I alerted it in the Discord. If we were going to respect this, and respection, I mean inverting a lower time frame inversion once we tap into it and react off it, then I am bullish. But if we are going to disrespect this, close this candle, invert it, then I am bearish. So what I was looking for was once we tapped into this, creating an SMT with ES. I was waiting for an inversion, and we got a 3-minute inversion, which is a pretty high time frame inversion. Therefore, I had to take this. I was going to be targeting data highs, reacting off a 15-minute SMT, like I said, 3-minute inversion, break even at this. I had break even at this high, which is considered buy side, but in reality, I did go break even off this 3-minute internal high because that is what I thought was a valid break even. So then I take this trade. We go and draw down a little bit, but this is what you call creating an order block, and then from there we absolutely rip. And without creating a wick, I was like, okay, well, clearly the next draw on liquidity is data highs. Like we shouldn't reverse off anything. And then I think Trump tweeted, and we just get absolutely railed. It was like 2, 3 points away. Yes, I could have taken profit, but I didn't because my draw on liquidity was stronger to the upside, and I didn't see us reversing off anything. So, yep, that was for that trade. I did end up getting break even, and so then I wait. I wait until we trade lower because ES was super bearish since we inverted a 15-minute fair value. Yep, and then this is where I messed up. Instead of waiting for the pairs to be aligned, I assumed that NASDAQ wanted to reverse higher because we had such good draws to the upside that I wasn't really paying attention to ES. And because I thought NASDAQ was the leading pair because we were all the way trading very close to data highs and ES wasn't even close at all. So then that was kind of like a close sign, like, okay, maybe we're bearish until proven otherwise. And then there was a 4 hour ES hasn't tapped into, which ES tapped into. But anyway, we hit this 1 minute, or sorry, this 1 hour fair value gap. We're respecting it. We hit data lows, we're respecting it. And then we created an SMT. And how you know we're respecting it and we're actually delivering off it is when we get an inversion, and an inversion with 3 very strong bullish candles. Now, I do want to set my limit order in the middle of this fair value gap because there could have been some drawdown and I would have had a better entry, but I have to go on the inversions knowing that there is so much LR right here, along with clear accumulation zones and relatively equal highs at data highs. So then I knew this trade was going to either flush to TP and I wouldn't set a limit order or get stop rated. And I was ended up completely wrong in this case and we got stop rated. But that happens, man. Like it's what trading is all about. You just got to follow a certain set of rules and your strategy, and you should only trade once a day because if you just trade anytime other than like once, then anything's just going to be unprobable. You're going to act off emotions, especially when you get a break even raid like this. So that is my trade recap for today, and I'm wondering if any of you guys took the same trade.